Let's start cooking aromatic and flavorful butter garlic rice. Start by adding 1/4 cup of oil to the pan. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. Now add 1/4 cup of chopped garlic. Sauté until it changes color to light golden. Now add 1 tablespoon of mild green chilies. Sauté for 1 minute. Add 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro. Give it a quick mix and add 4 cups of water. You can replace water with chicken broth. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and bring it to boil. Now add 2 cups of basmati rice, which was already soaked for 30 minutes. Give it a mix and bring it to boil on medium heat. After 70% of water evaporated, cover and cook on low heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, delicious butter garlic rice are ready. Enjoy as it is, or pair it with your favorite meat or veggies. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.